Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet Chemistry. Now I am to welcome the students of class 11 science, especially the conversion of organic compounds alkane related. In part 1, I told why alkane is so inactive because due to single bond. Single bond is formed by the head and head overlapping, that is covalent bond, sigma bond. And now here in two related alkane the conversion I have done, and here it is methane to ethane. When you will try to read, first of all you read the part 1, then it will be easy. Methane CH4, I2 and H nu means sunlight. I2 and H nu, sunlight. It gives CHI3. Here 3 iodine are substituted. When chlorine is, you will add only one chlorine first substituted, and after that slowly it will substituted. So here CHI3 iodoform. In iodoform, when you treat silver powder, you should remember iodoform with silver powder it gives ethine. That means methane treating with untreated with iodine and H nu sunlight, it gives CHI3 iodoform, and for the treatment with silver powder it gives ethine. That means it is easy methane to ethine how to convert. And methane to propane, see methane contains 1 carbon whereas propane contains 3 carbon, that increasing of carbon atoms. So methane treated with H nu and H nu and chlorine, that is sunlight and chlorine, it gives chloromethane. Already I told in previous part 1. Chloromethane on treating with sodium ether, dry ether, that is called Wurtz reaction. That means here other molecule of CH3Cl react with this CH3Cl in presence of sodium and ether, dry ether, and that is called Wurtz reaction, and here it gives CH3 and CH3 ethane. Now ethane is produced, but my question is it convert to propane. So ethane again you treat sunlight and chlorine, then what happens? Again it gives chloroethane, one hydrogen replaced by chlorine, that is chloroethane. In chloroethane, if you will add CH3Cl, you have chloroethane, but again you will add chloromethane. In presence of sodium in ether, it is also called Wurtz reaction. But here another alkyl halide compound is added, and that is also Wurtz reaction. Then how many carbon? Here 2 carbon, here 1 carbon, 3 carbon alkane is produced, that is propane. So here methane to propane, methane to converted to ethane, ethane again treated with that is chlorine and sunlight gives chloroethane, undergo Wurtz reaction with CH3Cl, it gives propane. Now it is clear. Now you can feel easy now. Now hexane to benzene. Hexane to benzene. Hexane means what? Hex means 6 carbon. 6 carbon alkane. See here, 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is called N-hexane. And heat, you will heat it with platinum, catalyst platinum, and 673 Kelvin. And if you try to remember temperature, what is that? Or you can write heat with high temperature if you can't remember. And catalyst is platinum, it gives benzene. Now again see here methane to ethine, that is very easy. Methane to propane by the help of Wurtz reaction, it is completed. And hexane to benzene, that is easy, only one step reaction, heat platinum is catalyst. So again we will see other conversion of the alkane related compounds. Now here this is ethane to ethene, the deep part, that is ethane to ethene. Now ethane also contains 2 carbon, ethene also contains 2 carbon. Only difference is that here it contains single bond, it contains double bond. And now take ethane, chlorine and sunlight, it gives chloroethane, already I told. Here on treatment with an alcoholic KOH, it gives ethane. Remember, if you treat here aqueous KOH, it should give alcohol, ethyl alcohol. But here you are treating with alcoholic KOH, that is why it gives ethene. Double bond, remember. So here again see ethane treatment with chlorine, sunlight gives chloroethane, alcoholic KOH gives ethane. Now similarly second one, E part, that is ethane to ethyne. What is happening here? Ethane contains a single bond, ethyne contains triple bond. So first take ethane, chlorine, sunlight, it is clear to use, it gives chloroethane. Chloroethane again treat with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH, it gives same as it is CH2 double bond CH2. But what is your question? It should be ethyne. That is why you treat bromine. A bromine, after that what happened? One bromine attach here, other bromine attach here. That is called 1,2-dibromoethane. Ethane is the main parent house, and here one side bromine, number 1 position, one side bromine, number 2 position attached. That is why name is 1,2-dibromoethane. In this 1,2-dibromoethane, when treated with alcoholic KOH, here it gives ethyne. Here CH, HBr is the byproduct, and CH triple bond CH will get ethyne. Again see, as it is you do this like this here up to here ethane, treat with bromine, it gives a 1,2-dibromoethane. Alcoholic KOH and treatment gives ethyne. This is very important conversion. Ethane to ethylene glycol. What is ethylene glycol? It is having 2 OH group in ethane group. Now CH3CH ethane, chlorine, sunlight gives chloroethane. Okay. After chloroethane you treat alcoholic KOH here up to here same. It gives CH2 double bond CH2 ethane. In ethene you will treat alcoholic KMnO4. Remember, alcoholic is very important. It is not acidified. It is alcoholic KMnO4. It gives OH, CH2, CH2, OH. What is the meaning? That means in ethane, in number 1 carbon there is a hydrogen replaced by OH group. In number 2, the H is replaced by OH group. So what is the meaning here? In ethane, that is 2 OH group attached, that in position what? 1 and 2. That is why in IUPAC's name you can say ethane 1,2-diol. Diol means 2 alcohol. Position, what is the position? 1, 2. And what is the main hydrocarbon path? That is ethane. Ethane 1,2-diol. And common name is ethylene glycol. Generally in commercial it is famous. So it is ethylene glycol, that is common name which is famous. Now I hope it is clear. Ethane to ethene. Here alcoholic KOH is used. Alcoholic KOH when used, the haloalkane changes to double or triple bond, and when aqueous KOH treated, haloalkane changes to alcohol. These two equation reaction, that is very important. So I hope it is clear to you, and I hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. And also I am very thankful to you all for watching my video. Thanks again.